Hello everyone, I am going to tell you how to insert a picture in Excel and add a text. So I have opened an Excel and I see here it opens at the home tab. So we press on insert and here are the insert pictures. So it just happens like this. So for example, there are many of this. So for example, I am going to take a lighthouse. So then we press insert and here comes the lighthouse. Now we can even resize and even make it big. I am making it small so that it will be easy for it to see the whole picture. Now I am going to tell you how to add the text. Now you again press on insert and you see this word art. And we have different kinds of art. We choose any art and we can write there. So for example, I am taking this art. So it says your text here. Now I can write anything that I want in this text. Even if you are using this thing, you can even write anything. You can write your friend's name and everything. So now I have wrote lighthouse. So this is how you insert a picture in Excel and add a text. Bye for now. So I have written lighthouse here. So you can also write any name you want. For today this is all. Now we have learned how to insert a picture and add a text. We will see you in next video. Bye.